Aditya Dhar's Dhurandhar didn't just rule 2025. It rewrote Bollywood's box office rulebook. Ranveer Singh's explosive spy saga stormed past giants like Pushpa 2, Jawan and Stree 2 and entered 1,000 crore worldwide mark by the end of December 2025. Even in its third week, the film refused to slow down. Proof that this wasn't just a hit, it was a phenomenon. From Ranveer's Hamza to Akshay Khanna's unforgettable Rahman Dakat, every character became meme fuel, real content and fan obsession. Naturally, the demand for Dhurandhar 2 exploded almost instantly. And now, there's a major update that has fans buzzing. If reports are to be believed, the first teaser of Dhurandhar 2 will get an exclusive big screen reveal. And not just anywhere. The teaser is expected to drop with Sunny Deol's most awaited Border 2, which hits theatres on January 23, 2026. The teaser is said to be a fresh cut from the end credits of the first film, designed purely for theatrical impact. Insiders say this is a smart strategic move. Border 2 and Dhurandhar speaks to the same pulse: patriotism, high emotion and larger-than-life heroes. By attaching the teaser to Border 2, the makers want to firmly lock in Dhurandhar 2's E2026 release date in the audience's mind, months in advance. And let's talk about Border 2 itself. Sunny Deol's return to his iconic war hero space, backed by a massive ensemble featuring Diljit Dosanjh, Varun Dhawan, Ahan Shetty, Ayushmann Khurrana and Moni Roy, with Anurag Singh directing under JP Datta's banner. Nostalgia, nationalism and next-gen star. It's the perfect launchpad for a spy thriller teaser. Online fans are already celebrating the move. Reddit threads and social media comments are calling it a double dhamaka moment. Many say this is exactly how a sequence tease should be experienced, only on the big screen. Some fans even admit they'll relive the sequences arriving soon before the hype fades. With Dhurandhar's characters still trending months after release and Border 2 reviving Sunny Deol's legacy, theatres are gearing up for a full-blown patriotic overload this January. And if this teaser strategy works, Bollywood may have just set a new playbook for franchisee hype. One thing's clear: Dhurandhar isn't done shaking the system yet. This is Nikita Rawat and you're watching Times Entertainment.